Hi friends, now the next question. 11 becomes 38, like that 13 becomes how much? We'll find out the logic first. 11 becomes 38, then the same logic will be applied to the 13 to the next number. So 11 is multiplied with 3, 11 3s are 33 plus 5, then it becomes 38. So 11 3s are, the logic is into 3 plus 5. 11 3s are 33 plus 5. This will becomes 38. The same logic is applied to the next number, into 3 plus 5. So 13 is as it is. The logic is into 3 plus 5. So into 3 plus 5. 13 3s are 39 plus 5. This will becomes 44. So I will explain once again the logic. First we will find out the logic for the first, right? Then we will apply the second phase. 11 3s are 33 plus 5. So into 3 plus 5. 33 plus 5 is 38. Like that, same logic is applied to the next. 13 3s are 39 plus 5. 39 plus 5 is 44. So 44 will be is our answer. Thank you.